In this video, I am going to discuss about study of electronic components and equipments. Aim to study about the electronic components and equipment, such as there are two types of components are there, active and the passive components. So in passive there are its types are resistor, capacitors and inductors. Types of electronic components. In first we are going to see about the active components. So active components are those that requires an electrical power to operate. This could include the power supply, fans, storage device, transistors, diodes and other IC circuits. So transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify and switch the electronic signals and the electrical power. So it is nothing but it is a semiconductor devices and used for an amplifier, and it is composed of semiconductor material with at least three terminals. The three terminals are connections to an external circuit. The two pins are base, emitter and collector. A voltage or current applied to one pair of the transistor's terminal changes the current flowing through the another pair of an terminal. So types of transistor are bipolar junction transistor, field effect transistor. Next, diode. Diode, it is having a two active terminal, that is A side is anode positive and K, that is cathode, that is a negative terminal. Its current is passes through it in one direction than in reverse direction. So diode have many uses because it is used for converting an AC to DC and decoding the audio frequency signals from radio signals. Types of diodes are PN junction diode, PIN diode, Zener and tunnel diode. Next we are going to see about the passive components. So is a module that does not requires an energy to operate, but here active it requires an energy to operate, but in passive it does not requires energy to operate except the AC circuit that is connected to it. A passive model is not capable of power gain and is not a source of energy also. So a typical passive component as an inductor, resistor, transformer or capacitor. So types are, what is the difference between active and passive components? Types are inactive transistor, op-amp, diode, in passive resistor, capacitor, inductor. So passive components, in passive component first we are going to see about the resistor. So it is a most common component in electronic circuit because we are using in many things. This why means this resistor is used to reduce a high current to the desired value and also provide desired value in the circuit. So the resistor on manufacture, it is according to its value in ohm. And next there are two types of resistor, fixed and variable. Fixed means it does we cannot change its resistor value, but in variable value we can change it because it's resistor having variable resistance range within a 4-line or color code. Next is types of resistor: wire band resistors, carbon composition resistor, film resistor, surface mount resistors, fusible resistors. Next we are going to see about the capacitor. Capacitor, it contains two terminal that stores an electric charge and two conductors, and also it consists of two conductors separated by an dielectric medium. The potential difference when applied across the conductors polarize the dipoles ions to store the charge in the dielectric medium. So its capacitor unit is farad and it is denoted as an F. So this is a symbol of symbolic representation of an capacitor, and disc capacitor polarity representation. So here capacitors, first here 473J, no, that's we are going to see now. So the capacitor on the left is a ceramic disc type capacitor. It has a code 473J. It's printed on its body itself. 4 is denoted as a first digit and 7 is denoted as a second digit and 3 is denoted as a multiplier in picofarads. PF and the letter J is the tolerance. So 4, 7, PF. After that its tolerance is plus or minus 5%. Next we are going to see about its formula, that is Q is equal to CV. The charge stored in the capacitors that is given by Q is equal to CV. Q is nothing but charge stored in capacitor. C is a capacitance value of an capacitors and V is a voltage applied across an capacitor. So there are many other types of capacitors are there, that is ceramic capacitor, tantalum, silver mica, polystyrene film capacitor, polyester film capacitor, metallized polyester film capacitor, polycarbonate capacitor, and glass capacitors. Okay, so this is the design of capacitor. There will be two leg. One is a positive charge connection, another one leg is a negative charge connections, and there inside there will be a dielectric. Another one layer is covered by a metal plate. After that, covered by an aluminium. At last it is covered by a plastic insulation, that is a black color or it is in a blue color. Next we are going to see about the inductor. It also contains two terminal electrical components, that is both resistor and capacitor likewise only. Because the two terminal electrical components that stores the energy in its magnetic field when compared to capacitor, because the capacitor will be stored in electrical field, but in a inductor it is stored in magnetic field, and the resistor, it does not store energy, rather it dissipates the energy as heat, and its units of inductance is Henry denoted as H. So any conductor has a inductance. Inductor is a typical made of, so it is made up of a wire or other conductor wound into a coil, because it is used to increase a magnetic field. Current flowing through an inductor changes, creating a time varying magnetic field inside the coil. A voltage induced according to the Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. So the types of inductors are air core inductors, radio frequency inductor, ferromagnetic core inductor, laminated core inductor, ferrite core inductor, toroidal core inductor, variable inductors. So this is a design and symbolic representation of an inductor. So there will be one core material inside the area is called as a cross sectional area, and the blue is as a number of turns. So this is the symbolic representations, and the result as the above study experiment electronic components equipment was studied clearly. Thank you, students.